the struggle. Oh, Jesus. 70 years old, man.
What's up, my people? On a day, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So, guys, make sure to watch to the very end. Subscribe if you're yet to do that. Drop nice comments and share my video. You feel me? So, don't play, my people. Don't play. Let's go have some fun.
I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided. Chama, sorry, hey, Chief.
What's up? Who you define?
Now you.
Me.
Just want to have some words with you.
I mean, I don't get them.
Chama, sorry. Just a minute of your time with God. It's not too much.
Clapper.
My name is Theophilus. So this is Sister Abigail. Sister Abigail, open to Proverbs 1 verse 7. I know the reason why you're frowning is because of the economy of the country. If the country wants to be better, start from me and you.
Who plays?
Number one, we have to be God-fearing.
What's the meaning of God fearing?
Let's have it.
In the book of Proverbs 1 verse 7, it said, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
No problem.
Are you God fearing?
I swear to God mighty. Sorry, I'm God-fearing. Sister Abigail, she's a God-fearing woman.
Sister Abigail, you are also God fearing.
Yes, I'm God-fearing.
Can't you see the glory of the Lord in her?
Wow, thank you, Jesus. I've been looking for God fearing woman. Please let me just have your number. Let's start from there.
Sorry, I don't. So I for the ministry.
I prayed to God this morning for a partner. Okay. And I'm sure it's the one that God sent to me.
That's what we do for you.
Now I know the meaning why you wear miniskirt for this ministry.
It's not like that.
It's not like that.
It's not like that.
Sister Abigail, you a friend man, you don't tell me for sure.
What be this?
I told you my long skirt is not right. And besides, you're not my spec.
Kindly show me who marry spec for Bible. This is the spirit of Jezebel.
I'm very sure it's the spirit of God that said it's the one for me.
What type of
somebody that is not God fearing?
Sir, I'm ready to be God fearing, sir.
You know me before.
Mr. Man, it's a waste of time. You have to come to church for a better deliverance.
Waiting man. Let me just have Sister Abigail's number now. So when I'm coming, I'll call her.
It's the church number.
Let me have her number now, please. I can see her like this.
God have mercy upon us.
Obiri.
What's going on here?
Never see anything. Just Talkless.
Well, I'm not even
For the struggle.
Decided.
You want the little?
Calling my phone.
What's all this for? I've been on the ministry bad for you.
Can you imagine?
This is where you love to hang out?
Now yeah, they always come.
Oh, nice. I've never been to this archaic vicinity before.
No verse.
You know, I just came into the country.
With this shoe.
Forget about the shoe. This shoe is mainly used for my inspection process as regards my real estate company. You know, I own the biggest real estate firm in Abuja.
Wait. Eden and people.
Look at you.
Jesus.
Now you be the CEO. No, like big man.
So I flew over to this axis of this country to see how I could project the Falcon Gate Estate. That's the highest selling estate right now in Abuja, and everyone is involving into it because the Falcon Gate Estate is located at Kaba off Kubwa Expressway in Abuja. It consists of a land size from 150 square meter to 700 square meters. Okay. Right on this land, you can actually build a 3-bedroom duplex, a 4-bedroom semi-detached, and a 4-bedroom fully detached duplex. This estate is stand a chance to enjoy 24/7 security, standard electricity, good environment, and good water, private car parking space, shopping, retail centers all over. And the awesome part about this estate is that it's FCDA approved. No issues attached. And also, you have a payment plan of up to 3 months with an initial deposit of 5 million naira above. And it's all yours. Wow. And guess what? All you need to do, visit the website www.edenandpeople.com to get more details. Visit us on all social media platforms. And I said, what do you want?
You know, saying here they always come. They know my usual. Waiter, I beg, bring my usual. Come, I beg.
Yeah, you try that already. Hot there.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
Join me now.
No. I don't involve in violence. I want more of nutrition. As a CEO. So big.
Listen, I know, man. Hey.
What's the problem?
I've got no verse. Even I say I get meeting and they don't call me, I don't late.
No problem.
Oh yeah.
I will leave you now.
Take away.
Now you're going. How are you going to do the food?
The food not to throw on.
You throw this food away?
I go throw. You want chopper?
I don't involve in this.
I beg, help me throw away the food.
Madam, with this show?
Yes, and I the hurry go somewhere. And then they chop fufu and garri. So just help me throw them, eh?
I'm not a struggle.
Who will come pay?
Don't do this for us, Jesus.
I'm not a struggle. Oh, Jesus.
The soup.
70 years old, man.
Okay, just in IBC you.
Yes.
I'm not sure.
Still alive.
CEO here now.
Yes, that's our CEO. I work with him.
I go pour my hand down you.
Give me the soup.
One man.
Can see you. You go come to go.
Plus, you're talking to a CEO. You have some respect.
Okay, come on here before you give me bad market. I beg, which can't with this one?
Who can? He will even play my side. Because the girl is before she come out.
Babe, now, please, don't leave me. Teach me how to be the partner you want.
Babe, how do I teach you how to be tall and beautiful?
How you Maggie? Sing so.
Baba, I go beat you for this game.
You finally turn it
I've been playing games since 1908.
Hi.
Yeah.
You forgotten me?
This face looks familiar, but I can't remember right now.
Fifth doggy. He carried me 2 weeks ago at FCT. We spent 2 nights together.
Oh! I remember you now. I remember you. Why you come to my house now?
I came to wish you happy birthday.
Wait. How did you know today's my birthday?
Jordan, I told me and you were having fun that way. Hi. You told me today is your birthday and I kept it in my heart.
I forgot to know, but thank you, yeah.
So I bought you this as a birthday gift.
Boot. Nabuto. How did you know I like football?
You told me Jordan 9. I kept it too.
Wow. I must have said many things that night too.
I swear.
Oh, thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
That's not all. I brought you big blue rice.
Oh. I didn't want to carry this. You carry drink for her.
Big bull rice?
Yes, you know you love football so much. And football is a game of strategy, endurance, and performance, in which player needs strength to last 90 minutes on the pitch. So anytime you're going to play football, you need the ultimate fuel for champions.
So this rice is the ultimate food for champions?
Yes. Big blue rice is an expertly milled, nourishing, non-sticky rice made to deliver a great tasting experience every time.
See, thank you very much. Thank you. You see this rice? Oh, I will prepare it today because this is my birthday party. As soon as you guys do, we'll all run the rice.
And that's not all. Very.
Oh.
This is my friend Mary. I brought her so we can have some fun with you. Don't worry, I'll give you discounts.
No. Stop living that life. I've changed. I'm very sorry. Thank you so much for the gift. But at this point, you need to start going. I'm going to leave.
Yes! Hey! My son don't come back.
Hey! Angel, sure.
Don't do heaven. My son don't leave woman. Hey! Oh no, my son is back.
You should be going now.
Even Angel's shock.
Oh, Jesus, Mary, wait! Come.
You see, Yash?
This your friend?
Yes, Mary.
You brought her here. This is the real gift now. You.
I should be going.
You, they go now, they go.
Okay. Nanyashi.
Mary, you know what? Go and wait for me in the room. Hey! This door.
Go to which room exactly? I'd say you don't change. What did you do now?
I don't change, eh? Just this last time. After this time, I know.
Edoboy.
Last time.
Sit around the dance. Sit around the dance.
Have you been to Lagos before?
No.
I'll take you to Lagos. There's one place they are calling Ajegule.
Are you serious?
That's where Uibo people used to stay.
Ifoma!
Greetings, my king.
Ifoma, I've told you I like you. I want to marry you, eh? What are you doing inside this bush with this poor girl?
Poor girl?
Who is a poor girl?
It's you now. Have you forgotten that any man that does not have money is a poor girl?
Okay, that is a poor girl, Abi. Okay, that is a Madako.
No, you are Adane or Adana. Aku means wealth. You have no business with wealth.
Okay, nothing concern me and wealth, Abi.
Nothing concerns you.
First, I go and report to the Igwe.
Report to which Igwe? Who is this one standing here?
Which one?
Him now. Who is he?
This is Lolo now.
Lolo? What do you mean?
Don't forget say any Igwe where they walk out with tie guard. Now Lolo. Long live my queen.
See, I don't have time for this rubbish, eh? If I'm asking this you are causing, just come, let's go to the palace together. Come.
You're not going anywhere. I've taken enough. And I'm ready to fight for my love.
You fight for your love?
Yes.
And you are ready to die for her?
Yes.
Hey, shut down.
Even if it costs me my life, I'll fight for her.
Jesus. I can give her my life. I can sell my family for her. I love her.
My king, I beg leave my girlfriend for me. She's all I've got in this village. Please, have mercy on me.
My girl on the beg.
Long live my queen. My king.
Take
this one. On the beg.
Ronaldo to score. Okay. Ronaldo to score.
Calm down. Guy this one. Ronaldo not to chop in brick.
Okay, Ronaldo not to chop in brick.
I know be happy.
This is where Ronaldo not to chop brick.
Calm down. Go risk calm down. Messi not to do leg work.
Okay, Messi not to do leg work. Since when Messi started to do leg work? Give me this. When Messi started to do leg work?
Calm. Do this one. No player to do knee slide for 30 minutes straight.
Okay.
Now go far.
No player to do knee slide for 30 minutes straight.
Now all of them go start to do it.
See how
You don't do a 1 hour. That's how you go play. Now they go start to do it. Crazy players.
Nduka, my business don't fall. Nduka don't fall this business for me, eh? Every time give me credit. See market, no market for here again. If I sit down Nduka for this shop again, you go know who I be.
Nduka we go show no.
I have so many power, le patouche plein la mande. I have a bit of shit.
Nduka don't make up.
Nduka, how manage?
Madam, God's second name na surprise. Say surprise, Abi.
I shock you.
But no worry. All the things I done they owe you since last year, Tina, how much?
Only gari where you dey buy from this my shop. Everything don't reach like 200,000 plus pepper, Maggi, onions. All those bobo tibo, all those ones now another 300,000. So everything now will be 500,000.
500,000. Okay. Bring your POS.
Nduka, you know say this my business now, small business. We never get POS, but with time, I go bring POS come. But if you do transfer, I go accept them.
Transfer. My iPhone 16. What about iPhone 16? You short answer. What about my MacBook? Also short answer. My devices are down, but if I reach hotel, I go charge and send them for you. But for now, give me 2 cups of gari for 2 separate nylon with 2 granules.
Nduka, so even as you don't big like this, you still dey buy gari.
Madam, now my account balance not change, but my appetite remains the same. Wrong carry come.
Nduka. Anywhere you see Nduka. Trouble day. Anywhere you see Nduka. You not agree,
Okay, now listen now.
Now, sister, wait, take another one.
Sapa raise to power, Sapa.
What did Jimmy Laro? You are Latimasu.
Bros. Now your moto. Hello, my moto. I'm gonna get that. You can't check land when buy for this side. Bros, you get idea what I get. We go make you go chop this afternoon. Now I go chop this afternoon. I think that.
No, it's like the idea.
I'm no waste time.
Edoboy.
My brother, drop me for here. See your Hungary. Me see my Hungary. We go do them again tomorrow. You go pick me for this junction, no? Same time.
Voila. Look at what I'm saying. You know, make up. See style when they take chop woman.
Also, we forget to collect money downstairs.
And that's the good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Well done.
Well done. Hope there's no problem.
No problem at all, though. I carry good news and come.
Good news?
Yeah.
What is it?
I'm pregnant.
I don't understand. Is it hospital? Or where is that antenatal?
No, you didn't look like an antenatal. I get belay for your son.
How? Wait, you got a pregnant?
That is me?
Hey, shut up! Why are you lying? You give me belly.
Just quickie.
Shut up! Quickie, no, they give belly.
Hey, my daughter, I'm sorry, you know what happened. This boy you are seeing here, he cannot father a child yet. He's not responsible. So what happened is I don't want people to suffer. Oh, so please, go look for a way to remove that baby.
2 million.
2 million for what?
To command the belly.
I wanted to remove this boy. It was 100,000 now. You know what happened? Let me give you 200,000.
2 million.
Why are you stressing my life, for Christ's sake?
300,000.
1.5.
500,000.
1 million, what?
Now what for you? Now what for you, bro?
No problem, eh? I'll send you the 1 million.
Are you serious?
Call your account number.
25.
Wow.
18. Do it. 25.8. Do 500. Do 500.
I don't want you. Eh? This one will go to rock off for us, and you too. I don't tell you to make you stay away. Come on.
Who are you now?
Thank you very much, sir. You see this girl? Now my wife. I don't want this boy say make you stay away. Come on. Make you leave my wife, and this girl don't come up for us with my pikin.
Hey, he's lying, though.
She has a baby for you.
No. Now my pikin she dey carry so.
The Lord has done it.
Finally.
You are pregnant for this one here. You're not saying you're pregnant for my son. Why?
Daddy, ask her.
Yes, so I very scared. Why I put her for him head?
Oh, Billy. Okay, you did it because of money. Yeah. No problem, eh? I'll give you the 1 million.
Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you for helping us.
It's a good one.
I do.
Let me call my account manager. Let him send it to the money.
Thank you very much. God bless you. 1 million. Please put a transport inside.
No problem.
Now police they come on there.
Helping us is not
Hello, DPO. Please, send off your boy.
Run away.
Don't go work. They go for another man picking money.
No, now why people running? Come and collect the money. Come and collect 1 million.
Give this one slap. This one
They are very smart, though.
Yeah, you are lucky. They're not the owner of that pregnancy. If not, I would have sent out of my house.
No, now. I cannot get any girl pregnant. Me wait sabi pull out.
Hey! You know the fear elder?
This boy, you don't know me. Oh. You dey play with fire. Go and ask questions. I don't blame you. I blame myself.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
I'm not a struggle.
You know the chop house?
I wonder.
Fear. I pour you spit.
Shameless.
You're shameless.
What's this now? What's wrong with you? How much is there that you want to run?
Hey! Come on, Flag, a lot of things happened to me. Things are personal to me.
Only 170,000. You don't go far. people have told you it's you and I in this together.
Me, us.
I'm never leaving.
I love you.
You see, woman? Hey.
Cash or POS?
Never don't fall for God.
Cash or POS?
My jam.
Okay, I say cash or POS.
My jam.
You say, where is the location now? Where is the location? I'm pulling up now.
I think my mouth has store here. The stupid guy there here wait touch my hands.
All right. Give me 5 minutes, I beg. I'm coming.
Honey, what is it now? Where are you going to? What is it?
Only it's emergency. It's emergency. I need to go now. Please help me pick the children from the school, okay? I will update you.
Honey, you should just at least give me a clue now. Honey! Hey, this man.
Where the boy?
Where they touch my hands? Nine.
Oh boy, how far now? I be now. Why you dey touch my woman yash? Which kind of rubbish they talk about for your money? Don't say I touch your woman yash. You don't put money for her head. But see, as this girl dey like this, she be public material. Now general material now she be. You get any evidence say I touch her yash? You don't put her for me. What am I doing for you? I bet my yash. Hey! Whoa! You are the reason with you man to man. You dey touch my girl yash. Wait, you dey I dey talk to you. You dey open mouth. Dey open eye. You dey touch her again. For myself, you dey hold me. Open the key. You hold me. You know as I said there. What day? You dey walk through. You know as I said there. Mi ò gbọ́n pa. Hey. Run.
Some of you are just evil.
So you not married man with children.
Hey.
Now you go buy innocent man. Because of side chick. You be very wicked man. Oh yeah, turn your back. You not enter this man. Hey! Oh yeah, they shout to DPO go kill you. DPO go kill you.
But this guy Momo, you don't marry, keep for house. Person touch your side chick, you go buy him. You Momo. But seriously, get people where they do that kind of thing in real life. Like there are people that do it real life, like true. They are married, and they don't take their side chick play. Side chick. Anyways, now that's Sabi now. Anywhere you see yourself, you manage. Thanks for watching, my people. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. You understand? Check it out. And see you in the next one. Peace and love.